Latest research and development. 1. Tinier than a grain of sand, physicists create the world's smallest light pixel. Physicists at Julius Maximilians Universität Würzburg have developed the world's smallest light-emitting pixel, marking a breakthrough toward ultra-compact displays for smart glasses and other wearable devices. 2. This game-changing laser is smaller, smarter, and shockingly powerful. A team of researchers has created a powerful new laser that fits on a microchip. 3. The holy grail of physics, scientists discover new path to room temperature superconductors. Penn State scientists have unveiled a new theory-driven method to predict superconductors, offering a possible path toward materials that could conduct electricity perfectly. 4. Hubble captures a dazzling spiral galaxy alive with birth and destruction. NGC 7496, a dusty-barred spiral galaxy located 24 million light-years away in the constellation Grooves, harbors a ravenous supermassive black hole at its core. 5. What's glowing at the center of our galaxy? New study points to dark matter. New simulations suggest dark matter could explain the mysterious gamma-ray glow at the Milky Way's center. The findings show that the galaxy's early mergers may have shaped dark matter in a way that matches NASA's Fermi telescope observations. 6. Astronomers stunned by bizarre three-planet system that rewrites the rules of space. An international team of scientists has announced the discovery of 3 Earth-sized planets orbiting within the binary star system TOI 2267, located approximately 190 light-years from Earth. 7. Natural molecules identified as potential new weapon against glaucoma. The findings could enable earlier detection and treatment for people affected by the serious eye condition. 8. Harvard psychiatrist says mental illness starts in your cells. Groundbreaking research is revealing that mental illness may start deep within the brain cells, where problems in energy production disrupt how neurons function and communicate. This shift in understanding moves beyond the long-held focus on chemical imbalances, pointing instead to the mitochondria and other energy systems that keep brain cells alive and connected. 9. Yale scientists solve a century-old brain wave mystery. Yale scientists traced gamma brain waves to thalamus-cortex interactions. The discovery could reveal how brain rhythms shape perception and disease. 10. First salmon, 73-million-year-old fossil rewrites fish history. Scientists have discovered the world's oldest salmon in Arctic Alaska's Cretaceous fossil. 11. Scientists discover microbes that breathe iron to detoxify the planet. Microbiologists discover bacteria that eliminate toxic sulfide and use iron minerals to grow. 12. Unusual fossil discovery rewrites the history of freshwater fish. New research finds that ocean-dwelling fish entered freshwater environments on several occasions, evolving enhanced hearing abilities in the process. 13. World's rivers, overdosing on human antibiotics, study finds. Researchers estimate that approximately 8,500 tons of antibiotics enter river systems each year after passing through the human body and wastewater treatment processes. 14. Forensics, Holy Grail, new test recovers fingerprints from ammunition casing. A new electrochemical test can recover fingerprints from fired ammunition, even after extreme heat exposure. The method could greatly expand forensic capabilities. 15. Tiny brain tubes discovered by Johns Hopkins could explain Alzheimer's. Johns Hopkins scientists found that neurons form tiny nanotube networks to transport toxins like amyloid beta. Thanks for watching this video.